Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chart Slinger here with ZeroToHeroTrader.com, and in this video we're going to be doing the trade of the week from the chat room. So these are just going to be trades that I took or trades that I saw and didn't take but I liked and thought I should have taken. But I'm just going to be going over some of these, and I'm going to try to do one a week and see where we go from there. So this week's trade of the week is going to be on Home Depot HD. Okay, and this was a great setup, and we actually saw this on Sunday and alerted it in our chat room. If you guys aren't in the chat room, I really encourage you to join here, and I'll give you the link in the description. You can join the free chat room here and see what we got going on here. But we actually alerted it here, and you can see here. I'll scroll up a little bit, and you can actually see here. This was posted in our PPR watch list channel on Sunday by one of our analyst members here, with a few other things. But this one really stood out to me. He said HD has a falling wedge with MACD bullish divergence, looking for bullish confirmation with a retest of upper trend line. Okay, so I saw this falling wedge with that bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and that looked really good to me. So I said, okay, I'm going to watch this one on Monday and see what happens. All right, so let's hop in and let's see what happened. No, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. All right, so this was the Friday, I believe. Yeah, this was Friday. So we had this nice bullish day on Friday, and so we saw that setup here from the 4-hour. I'll show you what it looks like on the 4-hour here. What we were looking at from the chat room. So this 4-hour falling wedge with a bullish divergence here. So if you don't know what bullish divergence is, you got the price action moving down, but your oscillator is making higher lows. So it's a bullish divergence. So that means you should be expecting a reversal. So when we got the breach of this this upper trend line on Friday, Monday we were expecting a run. So that's when we were looking at getting in. So when we saw the strength in the morning on Monday, or sorry, over here, strength in the morning on Monday, decided to go ahead and hop in this on the pullback. So you can see over here in the option contract, I've got the options contract pulled up here, kind of go through exactly what I was doing for this trade. So I was expecting this to be multi-day runner, and we said that in the chat, alerted the members to the chat that this was probably going to be a multi-day runner, and I was going to go for a swing on this one. So I took 10 contracts at 43 cents for the January 17 230s, and these had some pretty nice open interest, and I don't have a screenshot of what it was on Monday, but I can show you what it is now. It's got some pretty nice open interest here. A lot of volume going in these contracts here for this 230 strike, and even the 225. 225 was a little more than I wanted to pay. You can see right now it's at like 60 cents. It was at 43 when we bought this one. But yeah, so that's what we did. Hopped in the 230s there, 10 contracts. For 43 cents. Okay. So this was a nice day on Monday. Just wanted to hold these and see what would happen on Monday, expecting at least a 2-day trade, possibly 3 or 4 if it all went well. My first target was 218. I'll show you why. First target was 218 right here at that resistance right there. So I knew I wanted to take, if it got to 218, I wanted to take a partial profit at 218. So that's exactly what happened here. When we got up to 218, the next day, I took my partial. I took off 7 contracts at 65 cents for a nice 22-cent gain per contract, and I let the rest ride. And I was really prepared to let these ride for another day or two. I really wanted to see this get up to like 220, but what ended up happening is, you know, SPY is kind of sitting at 320, ES at 3200. So I started to see this roll over, and you know, I just started thinking, well, you know, it's possible that we get a rollover tomorrow, and you know, I didn't want to give back too much, so I went ahead and took the rest of it right here at 75 cents profit on the 3 contracts, and it ended up being a total of, I think, 58% on this trade. So 58% profit on my money on this trade. I think it's about $250 total. But really nice trade, and that all came from the initial trade idea from our group here, the CFTC Discord chat. All right, and this is free to hop in. When you come in, you will have a 7-day free trial to everything that we offer here. And after that, it's going to be $9.99 a month if you come in before January 1st. All right, after January 1st, we're bumping the price up to $30 a month. But right now, it's $9.99 a month if you get in before January 1st. So anybody that's not already a member, you can get in before January 1st, and you'll be locked in at that $9.99 a month. And I think we really provide a lot of value for that low of a membership here. All right, so that is the trade of the week, guys, in HD, for a nice 58% return on my money, and I'm really happy with this one. Okay, so we will see you in the chat, and hopefully I'll see you next week with another trade of the week. All right, see you later.